Hello from Embedded World. I'm here at the Aero booth at the Embedded World exhibition in Nuremberg, and I'm together with Gijs Werner from Amphenol, and he will be introducing Amphenol's exhibition highlights to us now.
Industry 4 drives more connectivity, more logic at the factory floor. And in that environment, especially at device and sensor level, we see proven solutions like RJ45 being used a lot. However, RJ45 is a connector solution being developed for an office environment. And over the years we've seen rigidization of these connectors, especially on the plug side, but on the receptacle side these connectors remain the same. And we have two new solutions for that. One is called iX Industrial, and the other called is SPE, which we'll be showcasing here today. The advantage of these two solutions are that these are specifically developed for the industrial environment. So that means they're rigidized and they can also transfer the right amount of data for these solutions. So they bring a big advantage on top of being much more compact. So they save space, especially in the control cabinet. Yeah, so on iX Industrial specifically, iX Industrial saves 75% of board space compared to RJ45 connectors. It has a metal latching system which is really robust and transfers the right amount of speed. SPE, single pair Ethernet, is a new development and that offers a space reduction. It's much more compact, simplifies cabling systems, and also provides a direct Ethernet connection to the device level. So next to the input-output connectors I just mentioned, single pair Ethernet and iX Industrial, we also see some interesting developments on the board-to-board side. So that's inside of applications, inside a PLC, for example. And with systems becoming smaller, that requires a delicate balance between the EMI shielding itself, which is metal, and also the construction of connectors, because we need to allow for inspection of the solder joints and for enough airflow to reflow solder those connections. On top of that, these connectors need to be robust because typically they're being used for the bus connection or for the connection of, for example, I/O modules for PLCs. So these are actually three new developments of Amphenol, and we do not only see that these products being applied in the industrial environment, but also more and more in IT datacom. For example, MicroSpeed, the new board-to-board connector, which is EMI shielded, we also see being applied in high-end data market, for example, in server applications from Apple.
Thank you very much. This was a very interesting talk with you, Gijs. Have a good show.
Thanks for the opportunity. See you soon.